We're very proud of you and encourage you to keep working hard, set your goals and believe in yourself. I can't talk about that enough.
Tall now.
Oh yeah, what it is. What it is.
Ooh.
Singing.
Oh, all right, next. Ooh. Ooh.
Go on.
Come on, then I'll do one. Yeah, all right, here you go. Ooh, these are getting good, man. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen. Look professional. How's it all running?
Really good.
You're the only good
Everyone wave.
Kiss my boy.
Yeah, what was that say? Do big boss, go.
for recognition. Cause you're as smooth as sunset whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. And honey, I stay strong. Stop me, but you find it too late. Shit, I like to get my turn to win some fun. Open song lines that told the secret.
Poor people gonna rise up, take what's theirs. You know. I said, poor people gonna rise up.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, come on!
Give him a round of applause there. We're lolly docking.